Today, I'm going to show you how to create a thank you page in Wix step by step in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website load completely. On the left-hand side, click Pages and Menu. Here, click Add Page to create a new page. Name it something like Thank You so it's easy to identify. Once the page is created, you can start customizing it. Add a text box and write a friendly message like "Thank you for your order" or "Thank you for contacting us." You can also add images, buttons, or even links to guide visitors back to your home page or other important pages. Next, make sure the page looks good on both desktop and mobile views, adjusting the layout and design as needed. If you're using this thank you page after a form submission, go to your form settings and set this page as the success page so visitors are redirected automatically after submitting a form. Once everything looks perfect, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it. Your thank you page is ready to enhance your Wix website and provide a professional touch for your visitors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.